Okay, people, I'm upset now. I am upset now. Um, I went to go put the celery video together, because, like I showed you how to cut it, and you have to parboil it for, I forget what, 3 minutes it was. And then you put it in ice water, and then you put it on the dehydrator and let it go. Well, I don't know what happened to it. I don't know what happened to it. I am so irritated. Right. Ah! I'm so mad because it was good. So I can't find it anywhere. Maybe I slipped it in on another video. So if anyone knows, if anyone's seen that, please let me know so I don't. Well, I am going crazy, but that's beside the point. um, anyway, yeah. So if you didn't see it, it was, the stalks of celery you get from the store in the package, the big. I took two of them, and that's what came out of the package. You're going to see is uh, two two packages of celery put together. Okay. So I just wanted to let you know that. That makes me mad when I do stuff like this. Ugh. So why should I be surprised? I forget to take medication. I'm thinking, oh, okay, I missed a day. Yeah, so now I have one of them things that says Monday through Sunday. And so I'm real careful about what I'll do with my pills, as I'll put the whole thing. Yeah, no, scratch that. I'll open the container. I'll open the container. I will put the 7 days worth of my meds in there in the little containers, and then one for the day that I'm doing the meds. Okay, so there's 8 in all. So I do that all the time, except when my routine gets knocked off, and then I forget to take my meds. Not that they're, really. I got, like thyroid, high blood pressure, which has gone down, water pill, and my happy pill. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Now, the happy pill is no big deal. It's just, you don't go, woo. And so it's good. It just keeps you balanced. So that's good. Anywho, uh, yeah. So I do have that problem. But I get mad when I forget to do stupid little things that you're supposed to do every day. Ticks me off. As you can tell, I'm in the car, and we're waiting on the people to come and look at the house. Oh, there they are. There they are. Ooh. So, anyway, I don't want to seem like an idiot out in the van talking to myself, so I'm going to go. Anyway, stay tuned for the next clip, whatever the hell it is. Hey guys, how you doing? I'm fine. Yes, I'm in my pajamas. But I had to get this out because I've been kind of sidetracked the last couple of days. We're showing the kids' house, so I've been cleaning and straightening up and making it look pretty. and it's already pretty, you know. But I got to show you what the two big packages of celery looks like after I dehydrated it. Ta-da! Looks like a four-finger bag, doesn't it? It's not. um, yeah, old school. Um, I don't know if I'm going to keep it like, maybe I'll do half and half. I'm leaning towards vegetable powder, okay? I might keep some of this for stew, whatever, you know, chicken soup, blah, blah, blah. But I'm leaning towards powdering most of it. So it will be even smaller to store, and I can sprinkle it in almost anything. I mean, you can sprinkle, if you did the same thing to broccoli, you can powder it down and throw it in pasta, you know, if you make your own pasta, or if you make your own bread, or if you just like have some Kraft macaroni and cheese and you can't get those kids to eat any vegetables, you can throw some of that in there, okay? So that way they're getting you know, some of the good veggies. So there's all kind of ways to do that. I think I first heard of it from oh, what's this, that comedian that did uh shoot, I can't think of it. And you know, the comedy in the 80s about, it was about nothing, just hello Newman. Anyway, his wife was having trouble getting their kids to eat uh, Jerry Seinfeld. Thank you very much. Lamppost. Um, anyway, his wife was having trouble getting their kids to eat vegetables. So what she did about the same thing. She dehydrated it, and then she ground it and sprinkled it in their kids' food that they liked, and they never knew the difference. I mean, they might tell it if you put it in something green in Kraft macaroni and cheese, but uh, so take a carrot and do the same thing, you know, or I don't know if you can manage to get a beet in there. I don't know if that's possible, but you know, hey, go for it. And it's just like my ex told me that his uncle used to come over and make macaroni and cheese for them, you know, or oatmeal. And he would put food coloring in it just to make it special. And they mowed down on it. So you could always, go that avenue. Say, hey, listen, I put some food coloring in the mac and cheese today, or in the mashed potatoes. Or, hey, let's have some blue mashed potatoes tonight. Woohoo! So it works, people. It works because I did macaroni and cheese, and that because that's the easiest. And I did half and half, half for the dolphin colors because we were watching the Dolphins play football, and so uh, I would make half the macaroni and cheese orange and half the macaroni and cheese blue, teal, whatever color that is. Anyway, they loved it. They loved it. So that's it for today. I'll try and get back on schedule tomorrow. I've got a lot of things planned up, but everything is just, it's a little overwhelming, and I got to get my thoughts together. I'm just all over the place. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. That's not good. So anyway, take it easy. Take the long way home and don't be stressed. Enhance your calm. Ooh, zen out. Okay, bye.